Have you ever found yourself pondering on how to plan effectively? Today, we're going to delve into this skill and break it down into practical, actual steps. First things first, every successful plan starts with a clear objective. Without a defined target, it's like navigating through a maze without an end point. So, pinpoint what you want to achieve. It could be anything from acing an exam to planning a vacation. Once you have a clear goal in mind, the next step is to know your resources. What do you have at your disposal that can help you reach your goal? This could be tangible resources like money and equipment, or intangible ones like time and skills. Make a list, and don't forget to include your strengths and weaknesses. With your goal and resources in hand, the third step is to outline a strategy. This is where you decide on the how. How will you use your resources to achieve your goal? It is a roadmap that guides you through your journey. Now that you've got your strategy, it's time to break it down into bite-sized tasks. This is the fourth step, and it involves creating a timeline with specific tasks and deadlines. It not only makes the plan manageable, but it also helps in tracking progress. The fifth step is to anticipate obstacles. While it would be ideal if every step went according to plan, life often throws curveballs. Anticipating potential hurdles makes you prepared for contingencies. Finally, the sixth step is to review and adjust your plan. As time passes, circumstances change and new information becomes available. Regularly reviewing your plan allows you to adjust your strategy and stay on track. So there you have it. Effective planning in 6 steps. Define your goal, know your resources, outline a strategy, assign tasks in a timeline, anticipate obstacles, and regularly review and adjust your plan. Remember, the key to effective planning lies in the details. Don't rush through the steps, take your time to think things through. It's a journey, not a sprint, and every step you take brings you closer to your goal.